Today, we're in Grand Turk. This is our first time visiting this island and our final port stop of the cruise. We're taking you along to explore, eat, and drink our way down the beach. Then, we're wrapping up this journey with our last few sea days aboard the Carnival Venezia. Let's go! Good morning. It is Sunday and we are in Grand Turk today. So we don't have an excursion. We're just going to walk around and we may do Jack Shack, the infamous, and try it out. But we will definitely bring you along and show you what we get up to. Let's go. Grand Turk features a massive Margaritaville complex that offers free access to this beautiful pool. The setup here is fantastic, complete with a swim-up bar, a live DJ, and great resort vibes, all 100% free for cruise guests. Like there's upstairs and downstairs, Margaritaville, lots of tables, and then the bar. This really is an awesome perk and the perfect alternative for anyone wanting a resort-style day right at the port. But buyer beware, while access is free, the food and drinks are not. Expect to pay resort-level prices for cocktails and casual bites. So plan accordingly.
Make it do a little dancing.
That's the off-color Margaritaville.
Do a dark rum instead of the coconut. That's fine. That's fine. Thank you. I appreciate the switch up. I'm sorry. I know now. Thank you.
Oh, they actually have straws.
Yeah. Okay, I'm back. All right.
Hot and spicy.
My phone is hot.
Oh.
Okay, so we are here at Jack Shack, and we're trying their infamous jerk chicken. It's good. It's got a good flavor. I tried the buffalo wings earlier. Those were also very good. They had a very nice flavor to them. All right, so this is the sauce. So the sauce is a little spicy. Just a little touch, just in case. I like the chicken without the sauce. Also, something of note. There is a tourist tax, a service charge, and a facilities tax, which ended up being about $14, $15. So just be mindful of that. The actual food order for our first order was only $55, but after the service charges, it was almost $71. So something to consider when you're coming here or when you're dining here. There are some service taxes. Again, there's a tourist tax, a service tax, and a facilities tax. So just know before you go. Know before you order. Although the scenic beach route is beautiful, walking in soft sand isn't for everyone. If you have mobility concerns, take the paved road directly behind the resort instead. It's flat, easy, and appears to be relatively safe. Alright, so it fills up out here and it gets pretty busy, but it looks like it's a nice time. If you're here later in the day, there is a line. When we passed through here earlier, there was no line and lots of seating, but as you can see, it's about 12:30, 1 o'clock now, it's packed. This is a Turk's Head lager.
People, it is up to the contestants to get the top answers. Which reminds me, when someone on stage says an answer, that's a really great answer. What are we going to say? We're going to say, good answer. But if they say an answer that's maybe not that great, what are we going to say? We're going to say, good answer. Now, in the audience, that is your job. You are not allowed to shout out any answers, even if you think yours are better. You gotta keep them to yourself. And because of copyright, we are not allowed to take any photos or videos. It is Walk Like the Egyptian, and who sings that?
The Bangles.
It is the Bengals, and just like that. Shake, move it around.
This is my first time trying a pisco sour. Thank you. Okay, so this is a first for me. This is a Paloma with mezcal. Oh, that's good, and it's super smoky, very tasty, the right amount of grapefruit. Love it.
Is it for who? For Kevin?
If you are a cocktail connoisseur, Amari is the bar for you. And now one of my favorite bar experiences. After a while, I just stopped asking questions, sat back, and just enjoyed the taste and the ambiance. Try the wings. Margaritaville is back up. So trying out the wings. Not hot. I got the regular buffalo. The sauce tastes a little sweet. So I mean, they get the job done. They're decent. They could be a little bit more buffalo or a little bit more heat to them, but they're okay. That's all right. The cucumber sunrise.
Next time I have salad, I know where to come to get the cucumber.
How is it?
The salad bar, today was the first day I actually saw some cucumbers available.
Wasn't in my. I want the picture.
What is this called again?
That one is called Black Buffalo.
What's in it?
Black Buffalo is with a buffalo trace and blackberries.
Okay. For our last dinner on board the Carnival Venezia, we end up back at Il Viaggio. Yep, it was just that good. This concludes this series. If you've enjoyed the content so far, hit the like button and subscribe to On the Go with YOLO for more travel and cruise adventures. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, YOLO. Goodbye, Venezia! Heading to the next episode.